Peace, my crochet friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning the ridged chevron stitch. Here's my sample. And there's a lot of variations on the chevron stitch. This one's pretty easy. We're just working with double crochets, increases, and decreases. Okay, let's get started. The starting chain is going to be worked in multiples of 12. So you can start with 12, 24, 36, and so on, whatever your preference. Okay. And for this starting chain, we are going to add an additional 3 chains at the end. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3. So we did 12 plus 3. All right. So for round 1, we're going to skip the first 3 stitches from the hook and then put a double crochet in the next. So this does count as a double crochet, and now we have a double crochet here. Okay, we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 3. And over the next 2, we're now going to do a decrease. Double crochet, decrease. Okay, we're going to do that twice. So we're going to do it again. Double crochet, decrease over these next 2. Okay, and then we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 3. Okay. Here we're going to do 2 double crochet. This is an increase. And we're going to do it again in the last chain here. If we can get in there. Okay. So we're doing an increase in the last one. All right, we're now at the end of round 1, and we are going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn our work. Okay, we're going to do 1 double crochet in that first stitch, but we are going to work only in the back loops. Okay, and 1 double crochet in the next 3. Back loops only. Okay. Next, we're going to do a decrease. Over the next 2. We're going to do that twice. So double crochet, decrease. And then double crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. And then 2 double crochet in the next. We're going to do that twice as well. So there's an increase. That's 2 double crochet into the stitch. We're going to do that twice. Okay. All right, so that's round 2. We're ready for round 3, and we are just going to repeat round 2. We're just going to repeat what we did, okay? So we're going to chain up 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Okay. Again, we're going in the back loops. So this is 1 double crochet in that first back loop. We're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 3. Decrease over the next 2, and we're going to do that twice. So decrease again over the next 2, 1 double crochet in the next 3, and then an increase in the next, increase in the next again, okay. Now, this tells us that if you have another stitch here, you should do another increase again. Okay. It says to always end the round with an increase on top of your turning chain. All right. Yeah, so this is cool. So what you're going to have is that chevron pattern with the alternating rows having this nice raised edge here. That's cool. Yeah. All right, guys, leave me a comment. Let me know how you are liking this stitch, and let me know what you've made. Make sure you hit the subscribe. I will be back for more tutorials, and we'll learn something new. Peace to you. Thank you for joining me.